Well, we are now within the window over the next 12 hours where we will see impacts from Helene. Based on the track, there's going to be two things that we are monitoring: wind and rainfall. The wind will start increasing later tonight into tomorrow morning. These are the expected gusts that we will likely see in many parts of North Alabama through the day tomorrow. And you can see those winds kind of averaging around 30 miles per hour with the gusts, maybe a little bit higher at times. This is not quite as strong as the wind gusts we had a couple weeks ago when Francine passed through the area. And the other thing, we are monitoring rainfall, and it still looks like the eastern portion of North Alabama, close to the Georgia border, is going to bear the brunt of the heavier rain that we will pick up as a result of Helene. You can see here a swath from Scottsboro to Fort Payne, at least 4 inches of rain. And wouldn't be surprised from Franklin County, Tennessee, through parts of Jackson to Cobb County, Cherokee County, if we see some spots that pick up 5, maybe 6 inches of rain before it's all said and done. The rain amounts drop off markedly as you head to the west. Out here in the northwest corner of the state, we're likely talking half an inch or less. Around the I-65 corridor, Athens, Decatur, Huntsville area may vary a little bit. I think we could still see maybe 1 inch to 2 inches of rain, so the potential rainfall may be a little bit lower than what we'll actually pick up that far to the west. But again, there is going to be a pretty big difference from east to west around the area. Again, the latest here with Helene, 140 mile per hour winds. Landfall is occurring as we speak. The pressure's down to 938. Continues that northerly motion, which will take it through the panhandle of Florida overnight tonight and into South Georgia. It's actually going to be moving very quickly. Latest forecast track here from the National Hurricane Center has by tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time, 7 o'clock in the morning here, the center of what at that point will be Tropical Storm Helene, very close to the Atlanta area. Keep in mind with these systems, the worst of the weather along and east of the track. So we're going to do fairly well here in the Tennessee Valley in the case that we are going to be off to the west of the track. It is going to move north where it'll kind of just fizzle out here somewhere between Nashville and Louisville as we take you on into the weekend, but keeping some unsettled weather